Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear WhatsApp cache on iPhone. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the WhatsApp app. Okay, you have that option in here. When you go ahead and go to your settings at the bottom right, okay, tap on your profile. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom and tap on storage and data. Tap on it. And here at the top, we have manage storage. You can just tap on it and review everything right here. Okay, if you have videos, you can just go ahead and tap on it and hit on delete. And once done, you're good to go. Another way to clear cache, okay, for the entirety of the app, you can go ahead over to settings, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find general right here, tap on it. Now in here, you got to tap on iPhone storage. Wait for it. Now go ahead and find WhatsApp. Okay, right here, tap on WhatsApp and just tap on offload app. Like so. Once more, tap on offload app. And once that's done, go ahead and tap on reinstall app right here. Wait for the process to finish, and the next time you go ahead and open up WhatsApp, it will just ask you to log back in. So just go ahead and log back in. And after that, you just cleared your WhatsApp cache. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.